YouTube. What's going on? How y'all feeling today? Your boy back with another video, and today we're gonna be installing these here bad boys, some good old wheel spacers. You know, right on the fin, as you know. So it's gonna be a nice, real short video, but about that time to make the wheels poke out a little more. Let me show you guys how the fitment is currently sitting. As you guys can see, got my jack and all that ready. So this is, stock fitment, so you guys know. So I brought these wheel spacers from, Z1.com. So, I wanted to go with a reputable brand. Of course, they're hub centric. If you looking at the wheel spacers, you know all about that word, hub centric. That means they fit around the hub of your wheel. So yeah, they're just 5mm. So make them stick out a little bit more, give me a little bit more width, maybe a little bit better traction around corners. But yeah, like I said, they're only 5mm. So since they're only 5mm, you don't need to change out your studs. So these should work with the stock studs. Anything higher than 5mm, you will need to install your extended studs. So I was trying to do all that. So I'll see how these bad boys are fitting. Once I put them on, I already got the lugs all loose. So I just gotta jack it up, take the wheel off. Yeah, so this is the other side. You guys can see this tire's a little. From this side, don't look like I got the tire. See how it's sunk in, so hoping it'll make it stick out a little more. Same thing with the front over there, so yeah, that was a little before, so get this bad boy jacked up and see what we're working with. Alrighty guys, got the wheel off. That's right here. Wheel space right here, so looks the same on both sides, so this doesn't really matter which way you put it on. So you just slide it on. Something to tape it on, make sure it's on there, nice and snug. Same. The hub, so the wheel still sit on this hub. So it's all good. So, pretty much all you gotta do is install it. Make sure it's tight on there, you know what I'm saying? It's not gonna move, then pretty much put the wheel back on. So let's see what we got here. Alright, wheel is back on. Already, guys. Sound is just using a little bit more. Lower the vehicle, let you guys see. Slightly tight. Now let me lower the car. Let's move this bad boy out the way. Ready, guys. The car is lowered. And I'm gonna take it off the tripod real quick. I do notice you might can't tell too much. Check that out, somebody done nicked my car. Wow. I just peeped. Just wanna be parking next to people, yo. Wow, I just peeped this too. Wow. Anyways, guys, always something, yo. It threw me off, yo. I hate parking next to people. Dang, yo. Man, I can't get my eyes off this spot, yo. I don't even drive it like that, yo. Wow. Y'all see that? Wow. Alright, whatever. Back to the video. But as you guys can see, it definitely pokes a little more. I ain't gonna lie. Definitely not gonna lie. I'm gonna do it all the way around. I'm gonna do it all the way around. I'll definitely increase my width on the car. So now it's pretty much almost flush. Oh, okay, not bad. You guys can see compared to this side. Oh yeah, you can definitely tell the difference. See, compared to this side and this side. Oh yeah, okay guys. So I'm gonna keep putting them on all the way around and show you guys the final product. But I ain't gonna lie, I'm seeing the difference already. So yes sir, guys, this side is all done. Let me show you guys. So like I ain't gonna lie, I did like very little, especially I think the back part I might need like a 10 or 15 to make it flush, but the front, I think it definitely helped the front. I think the front's like perfect now. Yeah, like the front is like damn near perfect. See, it's just the back is still a little sunken in, but the front is good. So if you're not looking for spacious, 5mm in the front is cool. I was gonna do the other side. I'm show you guys the comparison. But yeah, front perfect. I think it's pretty much almost generally flush, and the back still slightly sunk in. And then on this side, as you guys can see, you can't see the front wheel at all. Then the back wheel, got all over here to really see it. This is really sunken in. So as you can see from this side not done, and this side being done, you can definitely see the tires sticking out. I ain't gonna lie, do a little something, but not too, drastic. Especially in the back. So the back might need like wider tires. You get like a 10mm or 15mm spacer, your wider tires. But like I said, anything higher than a 5mm, you will need extended lugs, so your wheel won't be able to sit on, like 3 little lines of studs. So that's why you need extended for anything bigger. So as you can see, like that line right here is bigger compared to the other side. So I guess it, it did a little something. I think it's like what, like an inch or something. So not bad. I'm gonna do the other side and finish it up and show you guys really the 100% finished product. But got this side done. Front looks great. I wonder if the handle is any better. Probably really won't be able to feel it, but I'll let you guys know. Alrighty, YouTube. 5mm spacers installed all the way around. You guys can see, made the front nice and flush with the front. Not bad, not bad. I think this belt was lower. Sheesh. I guess even though I was driving, that belt would look like a monster truck. But yeah, here's the back. Like I said, a little better, but the back probably needs to be, poked out a little bit more. But the front is perfect in my opinion. Perfect. Yeah, that's the back. So yeah, guys, if you're installing wheel spacers, especially 5mm, and not doing extended lugs, when you tighten them, just make sure you tighten them. So tighten them strong as you can, and then if you think they're tight enough, they not tighten them again. You heard me? So you don't want your wheel falling off. You feel what I mean? You got another like that much, or however thick your space is. That's how many, how much farther your wheel will be hanging off those studs. But you got stock studs, so if you're missing that much, you feel me? You only got that much of, you know what I'm saying? But SRTBree, new month, new mode. So looking cool, especially the front. Yeah, I'm definitely digging the front. Yeah, it's just the back can stick out a little bit more, so I can get some wider wheels in the back. Just leave everything as is in the front. Yeah, it's pretty much about it, guys. Pretty easy installation. Let you just, loosen the lugs. Jack your car up, take the lugs off, take the wheel off, put the wheel spacer on. Easy, just put it on. Make sure it's on there flush. Tap on it with your lug or your hand, whatever. Just make sure it's fit flush. Put your wheel back on. You feel me? Lower the car. Boom. It's real easy installation. Got that done probably within what 20 some minutes. It'd be a lot easier if you had power tools too. I'd do everything pure strength. So yeah, guys, that's it. Till next time. Go.